Miller Weldmaster exhibits at a lot of different trade shows all over the world. Trade shows are a great way for our potential customers to get to see our machines live and in action and talk with our team. But sometimes it's hard to get away from your business. With our virtual demo, you get nearly all the benefits of attending a trade show without ever having to leave your business. We will be in our working demo room in Navarre, Ohio, using one of the many welders we have available for your demo that you select. If you're in the investigative stage of purchasing a welder, our virtual demo is a great way to get your one-on-one personal demo on the type of machine or technology you're considering from anywhere in the world in just 15 minutes, because you deserve to see our machines running live and have all of your questions answered. You'll select the machine family you're interested in, and you'll let us know what type of product or products you want to make. It's that easy. We will send you a calendar invite right away with easy one-click details to your video conference. From our working demo room, we'll cover 4 main topics. First, you will see the machine family you're interested in full operation and an overall of the machine working. Then, we're going to show you 2 to 3 different types of seam types based on the product you make. We will run a demo on 2 or 3 different types of material that may be similar to what you're using now. And lastly, and most importantly, a product specialist will answer any and all of your machine applications or technology questions. So if you have questions about hot air, hot wedge, or RF welding machines and want a personal 15-minute demo, then sign up for our virtual demo today. And just like that, in moments, you'll be one step closer to growing your business with a versatile welding solution from Miller Weldmaster.